To obtain a $30 Uber Eats coupon code, start by launching your preferred browser and typing Uber Eats coupon code in the search box. Various website links will appear, allowing you to easily find a working coupon code. Open one of these websites, which will display amazing deals and offers, including 25% off, $20 off, and $50 off, among others. Select the offer you want to redeem. Click on it, and copy the code. Then, click on Redeem at Uber Eats to be directed to the official Uber Eats website, where you can log into your account. Browse the menu. Select the items you want to purchase, and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, find the section for codes. Type in the copied code, and confirm your order to receive the discount. You can also explore other offers and deals on the website, following the same process. Additionally, visit other websites that provide working coupon codes for Uber Eats, where you can select the desired deal and redeem it. By doing so, you can easily obtain a $30 working coupon code for Uber Eats.